Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.004 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.004. Notice there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal. This places it in the thousandths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put it over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, the decimal, and the denominator, 1, by 1000 because there are 3 decimal places. So, 0.004 times 1000 gives us 4, and 1 times 1000 gives us 1000. This translates 0.004 to the fraction 4 over 1000. Next, we simplify. Both the numerator and the denominator in 4 1,000ths can be divided by 4, the greatest common divisor. Divide 4 by 4 to get 1, and divide 1000 by 4 to get 250. So, 4 1,000ths simplifies neatly to 1 250th. And there you have it. The decimal 0.004 when converted to a fraction equals 1 250th. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.